Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tales, the place where learning English is fun and friendly. I'm Sophia, and this is my co-host, Liam.
Hello, Sophia. Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to be here with you today.
Liam, today we have a very practical topic. Have you ever had to talk about your job in English and felt unsure what to say?
Oh, yes, Sophia. Many times, especially when meeting new people, I used to worry. Will they understand my work? Will I sound clear?
Exactly. And I know our listeners feel the same way. That's why today's topic is so important.
Yes, friends. Today we're going to learn how to talk about your job in English clearly and confidently. By the end of this episode, you'll know the right words, the right structure, and the courage to speak about your job. So stay with us till the end.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe to English Tales, give us a like, and share this episode with your friends.
All right, Sophia, let's imagine a situation. You're at a social event and someone asks you about your job.
Okay. I see someone smiling at me and coming closer.
I walk over and ask, "Hi, Sophia. What do you do?"
And I smile and answer, "Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm an English teacher."
Perfect. That's a simple and clear answer. Already, you've shared an important part of your life.
Yes, it's just like opening a window. Once you start, more conversation can flow naturally. So friends, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Say hello. Always start with hello, hi, or hey, and remember to smile. Your smile is your first introduction.
Step 2. Say your job. For example, I'm a teacher or I work as a nurse. Everyone listening, repeat after us.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a nurse.
Great. Now your turn. Say I'm a, and then your job pause. Wonderful.
Step 3. You can add where you work or a little detail about your job.
For example, I'm an English teacher at English Tales School. Or I'm a nurse at a local hospital.
See how adding a detail makes your answer more interesting?
Yes. People remember not only your job title but also a little story about what you do.
Let's try a small practice. Sophia, pretend you're meeting a new colleague.
Okay. Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm an English teacher. I teach children and adults. I love helping people learn.
Excellent. And I answer, "Hi, Sophia. I'm Liam. I'm a doctor. I work in a city hospital. I enjoy helping patients feel better."
Then we can continue naturally. I might ask, what subjects do you teach?
And I might ask, "What kind of patients do you usually see?"
See? Just a few sentences open the way to a real conversation. Now, friends, maybe you feel nervous and think, but my English isn't perfect. I can't explain my job well.
Here's the important thing. Your English does not need to be perfect. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice. It comes from saying, "This is my job. This is what I do."
When you talk about your job, you're not being tested, you're sharing a part of your life.
So even if you only say, I'm a teacher. You're already doing great. And later, you can add more details.
Let's quickly review some key phrases. Repeat after us.
I'm a. I work as a. I teach at. I enjoy.
One more time. I work as a. I teach at. I enjoy.
Perfect. Now let's practice a small variation.
I'll say a sentence, and you change it with your own job or hobby.
For example, I say, I'm a teacher. I enjoy reading. You say, I'm your job. I enjoy your hobby.
Ready? Go ahead. Amazing.
Sometimes, people want to ask where you work. For example, I work at a hospital, or I teach at an English school.
Yes. And if you don't want to talk about your workplace, you can mention what you enjoy in your job. Like, I enjoy helping students learn, or I love designing websites.
Exactly. Friends, here's a simple formula to remember. Job plus workplace plus enjoyment or hobby.
Let's practice together. Hi, I'm Liam. I'm a doctor. I work at a hospital. I enjoy helping people.
Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm a teacher. I teach at English Tales School. I love helping students learn.
Now your turn. Try saying it out loud. Hi, I'm your name. I'm a. I work at. I enjoy. Excellent.
Let's imagine another situation. You meet someone at a networking event. They ask, what do you do?
You answer, I'm a. Then they ask, where do you work? You say, I work at.
Next, they might ask, what do you enjoy about your job? You can say, I enjoy helping people, or I love solving problems.
See how easy it is? Just a few simple sentences create a meaningful conversation.
Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers.
The key is to be brave. People want to know you, not judge you.
Exactly. Talking about your job is about connection, not grammar.
And remember, practice makes you confident. The more you repeat, the more natural it feels.
Let's share more useful sentences. I work in. I am responsible for. I enjoy. My job is.
For example, I work in a school. I am responsible for teaching English. I enjoy reading and helping students. My job is very rewarding.
Now repeat after us. I work in. I am responsible for. I enjoy. My job is. Perfect. Liam, remember our student Alex from Spain?
Oh yes, Alex. He was nervous to talk about his job at first.
Exactly. On his first day, he only said, I'm a student. But after practicing, he could say, I'm a student. I study business. I enjoy learning about marketing.
And when he shared that, other students started asking questions. He made friends so quickly.
So friends, don't be afraid to share about your work. It helps people connect with you.
Let's review today's steps. Step 1. Say hello. Step 2. Say your job. Step 3. Add more detail, workplace, responsibilities, or what you enjoy. Step 4. Keep it polite and friendly.
Together, that creates a strong conversation about your job.
Let's try once more.
Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm a teacher. I teach at English Tales School. I love helping students learn.
Hi, I'm Liam. I'm a doctor. I work at a hospital. I enjoy helping people.
Now it's your turn. Say your sentences out loud. Amazing.
Here's our question of the day. How do you talk about your job in English?
Write your answer in the comments below using this formula. Job plus workplace plus enjoyment or hobby.
For example, I'm a chef. I work at a restaurant. I love cooking. Or, I'm an engineer. I work at a tech company. I enjoy solving problems.
Practice writing it and also saying it out loud. Use a mirror or record yourself. It helps a lot.
Every time you practice, you will sound more confident.
Friends, thank you so much for joining us today on English Tales. We hope you feel more confident talking about your job in English.
Remember, even 5 minutes of practice a day helps. And don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and share this episode with your friends.
Leave a comment with your own job introduction. We'd love to read it.
And always remember, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing.
You can do it.
You can do it.